Howdy friends, I'm Miss Meow, and today we're gonna do an unboxing video for some toys, but it's not a box. Look, it's a ball. It can also be called a sphere, but it is a toy mini brands. There's 5 surprises inside, and I got the pink ball with some white. So, ready to see what I got. Ooh! It's going around. Wow! Okay, now we're gonna open it. It's taking a little while. Just gotta be careful. Look, there's a... Wow! Look at it go. That was a little hard, but now look. Able to open it. Oops. Wow! There's the 5 surprises. We're gonna do pink first, as always. Oh! Air Hogs! Air Hogs Thunder Tracks. Next, we'll do a white one. Okay. White slice. Very nice. Whoa! Mini! It's this! What we're opening. It's small. Alright. Another white one. You ready? Ow. Yes! Crayola! This is all I want! Yes! A create and color washable markers. It's the markers. I'm so happy. Can you see it? Oops. I keep... Whoa! It's the rainbow corns. Puppycorn. There we go. Oh, there it is. Rainbow corns. Puppycorn. It's the one where you hatch and that little puppy comes out. That's so cool. And that's the back. Wow. Okay. Last slice. I'm so excited. Oh. So I got the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. It's the mask and the shield and the sword, and it's Leonardo's. Look, it's blue. Can you see it? Wow. And then here's the little booklet that tells you all the ones you could have gotten in the booklet. Well, friends, thank you so much for watching. You saw all the toys I got today. I'll show you one more time all the toys. It was such a fun time and a great surprise. And remember, learning rocks.